Now, while the BJP has not yet declared which seat Narendra Modi will be contesting from during the Lok Sabha elections, the speculation is that it could be Varanasi. But what will that mean for old BJP stalwart Murli Manohar Joshi, whose constituency this currently is?
नमस्कार सर।
नमस्ते
सर, मैं डॉक्टर मुरली मनोहर जोशी जी के वाराणसी कार्यालय से बोल रहा हूँ।
जी जी
सर, आपके लिए एक मैसेज है।
जी जी
सर, 2014 का चुनाव एक ऐतिहासिक और निर्णायक चुनाव होगा, जो पिछले 10 साल के कुशासन के भारत देश आर्थिक विकास, कानून व्यवस्था को सुधारने के लिए आप अपना बहुमूल्य मत भाजपा को दें। सर, आपसे एक निवेदन है, यह संदेश आप अपने घर वाले, रिश्तेदार, मित्रों को भी सूचित करें।
The phone lines in Varanasi are buzzing as BJP's Murli Manohar Joshi has unleashed a veiled campaign for the Varanasi Lok Sabha seat. It's not just phone publicity. These holy hoardings pasted across the city are grabbing attention too. But his loyalists claim Joshi is not lobbying for the ticket to Varanasi.
डॉक्टर जोशी जी के विषय में यह कहना कि वो अपने पक्ष में यहाँ लॉबिंग करा रहे हैं या पोस्टर लगवा रहे हैं, मैं समझता हूँ ये बहुत ही हल्का और घृणित कार्य है। इसके पीछे जो भी शरारती तत्व हैं, उन लोगों का मकसद निहित स्वार्थ, अपना स्वार्थ हो सकता है।
There is, however, a growing clamor within the BJP that Modi must make Kashi his karma bhumi in UP. In fact, at Modi's recent rally in Lucknow, a group of party workers made their choice clear. The holy city shows enormous potential of magnifying Modi's pan-India appeal. Its proximity to Bihar, Jharkhand and Madhya Pradesh gives the party a geographical advantage in the Hindu heartland. In 1998, in Purvanchal, BJP bagged 24 of the 32 Lok Sabha seats for this region. 2 decades later, it was reduced to just 4 in 2009. The BJP hopes Modi's presence in Varanasi will have a ripple effect in Purvanchal. And above all, a Hindutva mascot like Modi contesting from Varanasi fits in the Sangh Parivar's grand design for the 3 temple towns of Kashi, Ayodhya and Mathura. However, there is only one hurdle blocking Modi's march to Varanasi. Veteran BJP leader Murli Manohar Joshi may not make way for Modi. The sitting MP from this constituency is feeling increasingly insecure, and with that, the frequency of Joshi's meetings with party workers has increased too. Recently, his wife hurriedly inaugurated a party office in the city and even released a book claiming that Joshi is a man of development and spent 19 crore on gifts to Varanasi from his MP's fund.
इस तरह का कोई पंपलेट बांटा गया है, वहाँ पर कार्यालय खोला गया। कार्यालय तो बहुत सी चुनावी प्रक्रिया के पहले भी खोले जा सकते हैं और पहले भी खुलते रहे हैं।
But Modi has bulldozed BJP veterans in the past, including its tallest leader and party mentor LK Advani. So the obvious question is, will Murli Manohar Joshi willingly vacate Varanasi for Modi, or will we see the BJP do an Advani on yet another leader of the old guard? With Ajay Singh in Varanasi, in Lucknow, this is Anand Zanane for Indie TV.